Prince Mokotedi Mshe says Bheki Cele is corrupt and is prepared to go to Madlanga Commission to testify about Bheki Cele's corruption. Mokotedi Mshe is a former Hawks head. Let's listen to this clip.
The same things that I said in my labor court application, I will say them at the Madlanga Commission. The same thing that I said during my during the labor, rather disciplinary matter, I will say them at the Madlanga Commission. I've said it in my disciplinary matter, point blank, that I think that Bheki Cele is corrupt. And that is why I was being charged out of nothing, basically. That particular thing, yes. The labor matter, the disciplinary matter that I was charged on, took 2 years. You see, after I was transferred, I fell sick. I struggled with